What is going on, you guys? My name is Omar here, bringing you guys a brand new video to the Pax Dudes channel.
What's poppin'? It's your boy Revenge Titan with the busted lip. We're here with my new whip.
Hey, oh man, why is he going out there?
Hey, where you coming out here?
So I think it was a week ago we ended up turning on the Datsun just to warm it up a little bit because it was getting a little warmer. But it did struggle a little bit, but then after that it was just like an auto start. It's like going and going. These are expensive. I don't have the other one, but I've been looking at the prices and a little pricey. I got most of the interior inside. I think we're gonna wait for that for another video to like clean it up and maybe install it. But for now, in this video, we're gonna be doing an oil change on the Datsun. We got some jack stands we bought. We got the oil right here. Oil. And we got the filter here. Look at how big this thing is. Sheesh! This is for like a semi. What is my man over there looking for? Alright, so the oil is right there. Well, the oil filter is right there. We're gonna have to unscrew a bolt down. How tight is this? Super tight. Oh wait, hold on. No, never mind. We're good.
Yo, what's up? Let's keep Hey, yo, what's up? Let's keep it real, son. Count this money, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Hey, yo, put the grants over there in the safe, you know what I'm saying? Cause these these Jacksons, the Washingtons go to wifey, you know how that go.
I'm saying that's what this is all about, right? Clothes, bankrolls, and hoes, you know what I'm saying? Yo, then what, man? What?
So we just opened the thing right now, but I mean right now it's going good. I mean he's doing his little things and stuff, but yo, yeah, what up, bro? This is a nice piece of machinery right here. Sheesh! I have one of these too. Yeah. You sure it's not a Honda or anything like that? Nah, it's a Corvette, right? Here, put this brick behind there, in the back. Hey, in the back of the wheel, in the back of the car. I just got the beautiful day. Look, man, you're ruining it. You're ruining it, man. All right, so I couldn't find an oil catch tray or whatever, so I had to go get one from my brother. See, he had one, so we're back now. I didn't want to record much of that because it's kind of just like just going and get it. So we're continuing with the oil change. Oh shit. Oh, you got it. Easy. And let's go. Oh fuck. Oh shit, that's filling up quick. Hold on. whoa. That was filling up quick. Why is that? Well, make sure to always keep your station clean and organized. So you don't lose anything. You're not stressing over that because you already have so many problems that you have to take care of. Tools don't have to be an issue. We got the old filter here and with the new. We're gonna try to turn it on real quick, you know, to get the oil flowing and to see if the filter isn't leaking or anything. What's going on, you guys? My name is Omar and this is Pimp My Ride.
So you want to be a player, but your wheels ain't flying. You gotta hit us up to get a pimped out ride.
Think about the Datsun, bro. Nice. It's nice, right? What do you think about the steering wheel? Nice and firm, nice and classic. We got most of the interior pieces with it. Really nice. This is probably my favorite piece. It's not a build if you don't open the trunk and there's just a bunch of pieces everywhere. Like this. This looks really comforting.
Visualizing the realism of life and actuality. Fuck who's the baddest. A person's status depends on salary. And my mentality is money orientated. I'm destined to live the dream for all my peeps who never made it. Cause yeah, we were up again.